Welcome, Scorpios, to a transformative journey as we venture into the realms of 2024. This year brims with the promise of harnessing your signature intensity, passion, and resilience. Greetings, Scorpios. As we move forward, we'll delve into the depths of your powerful sign. Together, we'll unfold the secrets to making this year a year of unparalleled success and personal growth. So buckle up as we embark on this exciting exploration of the potential that 2024 holds for all of you. Scorpios, your inner strength is legendary. This strength, when harnessed, can be your most potent tool in the journey of life. Now let's take a moment to delve into this. In this year of 2024, your inner strength can be your beacon, guiding you as you navigate the labyrinth of life. It's like an inner compass, pointing you in the direction of your dreams and aspirations. But how do you tap into this reservoir of strength? Start by visualizing your goals. Picture them in your mind's eye. Feel the joy of achieving them. This mental image serves as your North Star, keeping you focused and motivated. Next, use your determination. Push through the obstacles, the doubts, the fears. Remember, you are a Scorpio. You are made of sterner stuff. Let your determination fuel your journey towards your goals. Visualize your goals and use your determination to turn them into reality. Transformation is at the core of your being. It's a fundamental part of who you are, and it's something that you've been doing throughout your entire life. You've always been able to adapt and evolve, to grow and change. And it's this ability to transform that allows you to navigate through life's many twists and turns. In the coming year, you'll be faced with a multitude of changes. Some may be small and subtle, others may be large and significant. But no matter what they are, it's important to remember that these changes aren't something to fear. Instead, they're opportunities. Opportunities for growth, for learning, for self-improvement. By embracing these changes, you're opening yourself up to new experiences, new ideas, new possibilities. You're allowing yourself to become a better version of who you are. So welcome these transformations. Embrace them and use them to your advantage. Each shift, each turn, is an opportunity for rebirth and renewal. Your intensity forms deep and powerful connections. This is a part of your nature, a part of your essence. This year, make it a point to invest in relationships that challenge you, that push you to grow and evolve. Surround yourself with individuals who inspire you, who ignite your passion and drive. These relationships, be they friendships, partnerships, or familial bonds, are not just about companionship. They are catalysts for personal growth, for transformation. Challenging relationships make you question, make you ponder, and ultimately, make you stronger. They push you out of your comfort zone, compel you to face your fears, and help you discover facets of yourself you never knew existed. And remember, the bonds you form, the deep connections you cultivate, they will be your anchors in times of storm and your sources of strength. They will ground you, support you, and help you rise to the heights of your potential. The bonds you form will be your anchors and sources of strength. Scorpios, your passion is your power. It's an undeniable force that fuels your actions and drives your ambitions. In this remarkable year of 2024, it's time to channel this fiery passion into projects that truly resonate with your soul. Imagine, for a moment, waking up each day, eager to dive into work that doesn't feel like work. Think about the joy and fulfillment that comes from investing your time and energy into projects that ignite your interest, that challenge you, that make your heart race with excitement. We often get so caught up in the routine of life, in the must-dos and should-dos, that we forget to make time for the want-to-dos. This year, make a promise to yourself to pursue these passion projects. Whether it's a bold career move, a creative endeavor, or a personal hobby that's been waiting in the wings, let your passion lead the way. You are no stranger to challenges, and your resilience is unmatched. This resilience, the ability to bounce back from adversity, is a key strength that propels you forward. In the year 2024, it's this resilience that will be your guiding force. Life is not always a smooth journey, and challenges are inevitable. They might seem daunting and overwhelming at times, but remember, it's through these challenges that you grow and evolve. When you face a challenge, don't view it as an obstacle, but rather as an opportunity. It's an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to become stronger. Resilience isn't about avoiding these challenges, it's about confronting them head-on with courage and determination. It's about picking yourself up when you fall and continuing on your journey with renewed vigor. It's about recognizing that these challenges are not roadblocks, but stepping stones to success. Each challenge is a stepping stone to greater heights. Embrace them, overcome them, and watch as you ascend to new peaks in 2024. Take time for self-reflection. In the midst of the hustle and bustle of life, it's easy to lose sight of who we are and what we truly want. But self-reflection is a powerful tool, one that allows us to pause, reassess, and realign our paths with our deepest desires. When we reflect, we give ourselves the permission to grow. We invite change, we challenge our beliefs, and we open ourselves to new possibilities. And in this process, we often find that the person we're becoming is stronger, braver, and more fulfilled than the person we once were. So as we move through this year, let's make a pact to spend time with ourselves, to ask the hard questions, to confront our fears, and to embrace our strengths. Because when we truly understand ourselves, we unlock the potential for profound change. Understand yourself better, and in doing so, unlock the potential for profound change. Lastly, let 2024 be the year where you unleash your creativity. As Scorpios, you possess a deep and complex inner world that is just waiting to be explored and expressed. There's a profound richness in your thoughts, ideas, and emotions that can fuel a boundless range of creative endeavors. Whether it's through writing, painting, music, or any other medium, let your creative juices flow freely this year. Don't be afraid to push boundaries and venture beyond the conventional. Remember, creativity isn't confined to the arts. It's about finding unique and innovative solutions to problems, seeing things from different perspectives, and bringing a touch of originality to everything you do. Your creativity is a reflection of who you are, a testament to your depth and perspective. It's your unique gift, your personal signature in this world. So go ahead, let your creativity soar and inspire those around you. Your depth and perspective are unique gifts. Share them with the world through creative expression. Thank you, Scorpios, for joining me in this motivational exploration. As we've journeyed through, we've explored the power of harnessing your inner strength, embracing transformation, cultivating deep relationships, pursuing passion projects, practicing resilience, self-reflection, and unleashing creativity. As you step into the adventures of 2024, remember to stay true to your intense and passionate nature. Harness your strengths, embrace the changes, and let your passion guide you. Here's to a year of transformation, achievement, and profound personal growth.